You will need the tools shown on this list. Plug shore power cord into side of truck to get a good 115-volt AC connection. If system starts working, the problem is either low battery voltage or an inverter problem. On the QT control, make sure the ambient temperature displayed is at least 2 degrees higher than the set point. If set point is higher than ambient temperature, lower it at least 2 degrees below ambient. Make sure system is in cool mode. When compressor starts, a green dot displays beside the temperature number. If in automatic mode, green dot displays beside cool. Turn off breaker. Remove electrical box cover to expose logic board. Bypass the board by removing purple compressor output wire from logic board and move it to tab under L1 input to logic board. Turn breaker back on. If compressor starts, replace the board. Part number 4240701. Turn off breaker. Remove cover on compressor housing. Remove cover on compressor terminals. Bypass the overload by removing the black wire from C terminal on compressor. Then move the purple wire to C terminal. Turn breaker back on. If compressor starts, replace compressor overload. Part number 332855. Turn off breaker. Remove electrical box cover to access Easy Start. Remove white wire from Run spring terminal. Connect white wire with yellow wire in spring terminal. Remove orange wire from Run capacitor. Apply shore power to unit. If compressor starts, replace Easy Start. Part number 337641. Remove cover on compressor housing. Remove cover on compressor terminals. Use an amp meter, put amp clip on purple wire. If compressor is pulling 10 to 30 amps, this is high and compressor is probably locked. Using a capacitance checker, test the start and run capacitors. The start cap should read 47 to 56 UF. The run cap should read 25 UF for the compressor circuit. If readings are out of range, replace start capacitor. Part number 310-0236.235 and run capacitor. Part number 337646. If all these tests fail to locate a problem, then the compressor is bad and should be replaced.